I'd like to introduce to you our pumpkin teas. And we have them all set up here. And then we're going to do a pumpkin spice latte, tea latte. So let's get started. Hello beautiful people, this is Bree coming to you from Umami Gourmet Coffee and Exotic Tea. And guess what time it is? It is pumpkin season. Of course, we had to participate and bring to you our pumpkin teas. And we have 3 that are in our selection now. I'm working on a 4th one. That's a green tea one. And I will, of course, put all the information down below. But pumpkin season, you know, it's all the craze. We have, they have gone crazy with pumpkin. We have pumpkin lattes. We have pumpkin, I just sold some pumpkin lip balm. We have, it's just pumpkin everything. So we're gonna do pumpkin tea lattes. And if you know a coffee lover, please check out our latte, our pumpkin spice latte, coffee latte also. But we're gonna talk about 3 teas. It's gonna be very quick. And then at the end, I'll make a autumn spice tea latte, and that's pumpkin too. So our first tea is an autumn spice tea, and it is a black tea. And I will put the picture up, of course. But our autumn spice black tastes autumn in this cup because it has the pumpkin, it has the cinnamon, it has the cloves in there, and it's all in the black tea. Now the funny thing about this one is we did put some hibiscus in there, some rose hips, and sunflower and some calendula petals in there, but the pumpkin really shines through in this particular one. And this is one of my favorites, and this is the one that we're going to make a tea latte from. The next tea is a fruit tea, and you can just see, I'm gonna put the pictures up, but you can see the big bits of cinnamon, the pumpkin, the cloves, it's all in there. This one is called pumpkin spice, and it is a fruit infusion. And this also has the pumpkin bits, the cinnamon, the ginger, the cloves. I mean, this one, and it just smells like fall. It is really delicious without the caffeine. This one is caffeine free. This one is called Autumn's Fall. Get it? I have fun with this one, of course, and you can see it's a Rooibos, so it's also caffeine free. And you can see the ginger bits, the cardamom. It also has coriander and cloves in there. And this one is a perfect marriage of the pumpkin and the Rooibos, and it just all blends perfectly in there together. So that's all of these I really love. They're very seasonal, so I'm in there on that pumpkin craze as well. So the next one, the other one is a green tea, and I'll put that picture up too. And the green tea is green tea with pumpkin in there, of course, because pumpkin is the theme. But now let's see how to make, with this autumn spice black tea, how to make your tea latte. And it's very easy, very easy. So let's prepare our tea. We have 3 teaspoons of the autumn spice, and then I have a mixture of sugar, cloves, cinnamon, and ginger in this mixture here. So let's add the tea, and let's add the mixture. And this is a 16-ounce pot, but I'm only going to do 12 ounces of the water, and then we'll add the 4 ounces of milk to make it a latte. So that's our 8 of boiling water or hot water. Let's just do 4 more. Okay, so I'm gonna let that brew, and I'm gonna grab my milk so we can get the timer started on this one so that it can brew. And this is a black tea, so black teas typically brew at least 3 minutes. We're gonna let this sit a little longer just because it is a black tea and I want those flavors to come through. So we're going to make a pumpkin caramel latte, and I have my 4 ounces of caramel creamer. So let's steam that. So that 4 ounces made 6 ounces. Okay, I have my 6 ounces of steamed milk, and I'm going to combine the 2. Put the rest in my cup. Put that foam right on top. Now I typically, when I'm drinking, these pots is still hot and they tend to hold the heat in, and I love to drink my hot tea. So what I normally do, isn't this the cutest little cup? What I normally do is I will pour just a little bit in there, and you can add cinnamon on top if you want to of your latte. I know I showed a bigger cup just for just so that you could see, but this is typically how I like to enjoy mine. And it is delicious. And I'm slurping a little bit. But this is the pumpkin caramel latte, tea latte, and it's made with our autumn spice black tea. Thanks for watching, guys. Please tag a friend, please tag a tea lover, let them know we're here. I love making these videos for you. And thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.